Okay, so welcome again, everybody. So I have the teammates Pragati, who's starting the session for the Sacramento. So Pragati, you're there, right?
Yes. Good afternoon, team. I'm Pragati, and I'm representing University of California State, Sacramento. My screen is visible.
No, we cannot see your screen.
Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Please, guys, confirm if my screen is visible or not.
Yes, we can see your screen
Okay.
now.
So shall I start?
Sure.
So the first slide, I'm going to explain about the Sacramento. So this is the state of heart of lush landscapes of Sacramento, California. And California Sacramento is a prestigious institute renowned for its academic excellence and vibrant campus life. This institute is recognized by major ranking bodies such as US News and World Report, as it is the one of the top university in the USA, situated in vibrant city of Sacramento, often referred as a city of three as well. Our university boasts a rich academic tradition amidst a backdrop of lush energy. Now coming to the third point, the California State University is a diversity thrives within our student body, fostering a dynamic and inclusive community to learn with an enrollment of 23,473 students. So it's offer energy and creativity, offering a wealth of opportunity for personal and intellectual growth. So the Sacramento are empowered to shape their student to shape their future and make a meaningful impact on the world. Now coming to the location, so it is just 87-kilometer away from the bustling metropolis of San Francisco and California. If I am talking about the nearest city, so situated within the close proximity to major cities such as San Jose, Los Angeles, and San Diego. So, our university offered the perfect balance of convenience and tranquility for the students seeking and enriching the educational experience. Now, coming to the third point, safety and security. So, safety and security are the paramount at our institutions, boasting full-time campus police force committed to ensure the well-being of the members of our community. This ensure that a student can focus on academic pursuit without any distractions or concern. Okay, now coming to the and as well low crime rate in this institute. Now coming to the last point of this slide, accessibility. So yes, accessibility is the cornerstone of our campus with convenient transportation options for the student coming from the near and far, whether student traveling via highway systems or railway systems, or utilizing the international airport which is located in nearby Sacramento. So getting to and from our campus is seamless and hassle free. So this is the all about the location. Now I'm giving you some basic introductions about the Sacramento campus. So CSU is the affectionately known as SAC State or SAC, stand as a beacon of academic excellence in the vibrant capital city of California. And it is established in 1947 as a Sacramento State College. It's proudly hold its place within the esteemed California state systems, and with a commitment to accessibility and inclusivity, Sacramento State boost and acceptance ratio is 94%. If I am talking about the popular program, so these are the major popular field of study including business psychology, provide student with knowledge and skill needed to excel in their chosen profession. Now, beyond its academic process, Sacramento State offers students a unique living experience in one of the California most desirable city. The Sacramento boasts a rich tapestry of culture, history, and opportunity. Moreover, it is a budget-friendly alternative to neighboring urban hubs with a cost of living that is 22% lower than the California average and 85% lower than the nearby San Francisco, the cost of living is. Now coming to the undergraduate program. So 64 undergraduate programs are available to we can choose from amongst the 8 different colleges. So there are 8 different colleges are available, like College of Arts and Later, College of Business Administration, College of Education, College of Engineering and Computer Science, Health and Human Services, Natural Science, and the Social Science. So these are the 8 colleges, and in the amongst the 8 colleges, 8 different colleges, 64 programs are available. So in the College of Arts and Letters, the program which is related to the music arts. So these programs comes under these college section. Coming to the second college, College of Business. So in these business administration, there are 12 different concentrations are available, so student can choose amongst them. Coming to the third college, College of Education. In this college, child development program is majorly popular amongst the student. So the child development program, and these college offer doctorate in education programs also offered by these college. And another college is College of Engineering and Computer Science. So all the programs which is related to the engineering, like electronic and electrical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, construction management, so all these programs comes under this college. Coming to the College of Health and Human Services, so major popular program is criminal justice, public health, tourism, administration, social work. So these programs comes under these College of Health and Human Services. Coming to the College of Natural Science, so the popular programs amongst the international student is biological science, chemistry, geography, geology, mathematical programs is available. The another college we have College of Social Science. So the popular program is economics, environmental studies, psychology, and consumer sciences. So these are the undergraduate programs which Sacramento offer. And these are the major programs which international student which chosen by the international students, like computer information, computer science, cyber security, data science, criminal justice, and so on. Coming to the other graduate programs which offered by Sacramento is MBA, Business Analytics, Computer Science, Civil Engineering, Computer Study, Criminal Justice, and so on. Now coming to the cost of undergraduate students. So tuition fee is approximately $11,000 to $12,000. The health insurance is $1,360. Living expense is $9,500. The mandatory campus fee is $7,623. And the total estimate cost of I-20, it goes around $30,000 to $31,000. So this is the cost for undergraduate student. Now coming to the graduate student, so tuition fee is approximate around 7,000 to $8,000. Mandatory fee is $8,368. The health insurance is $1,360, and living expenses $9,500. The total estimate cost of I-20 is $29,300. So this is the information of the tuition fee and the other expenses. Now coming to the scholarship. So yes, these are the programs which is offered by the Sacramento, and we are dedicated to fostering academic excellence and providing the opportunity for all students to succeed. Our comprehensive scholarship programs are designed to support students across a wide range of disciplines, empowering them to achieve their education and professional aspirations. So within the College of Arts and Letters, the scholarship abound for the student pursuing degree in the field such as literature, history, performing art, and visual art. These scholarships recognize as a reward creativity, patience, and dedication to the arts, enabling the student to pursue their artistic and endeavor with the confidence. Now coming to the business program. So in the College of Business, scholarship are available to support aspirational entrepreneurs, future business leader, and individual dedicated to marketing a positive impact in the world commons. So this scholarship provides financial assistance and recognize to the student who demonstrate exceptional promise and potential in the field of business. Now coming to the career in education. So for the student pursuing career in education, the College of Education offer a variety of scholarship to support the academic journey. This scholarship aim to encourage the excellence in the teaching and learning, helping to cultivate the next generation. And in the engineering college, we offer some scholarship programs like like civil engineering and other engineering programs, CSIT. So these are the scholarship programs. Now coming to the admission requirement. So for undergraduate, admission requirement is 3.0 GPA we required. For graduate, we required minimum 2.5 to 3.25. For undergraduate, IELTS we required overall 6, no band less than 5.5. For graduate, we required 6.5, no band less than 5.5. TOEFL, PT, Duolingo, all exam is acceptable in this university. TOEFL we required 54 for undergraduate. For graduate, we required 80. Undergraduate, we required 50, and graduate, we required 65. Duolingo, we required 95 for undergrad, and for grade, we required 120. And application fee is same for both an undergraduate. Now coming to the applications deadline. So the application deadlines is fall June 1st, spring October 1st, and summer March. These are the deadlines. Now coming to the athletics program. So this university offer athletics programs also for men's and women's, as athletics play a vital role in the campus life for fostering a sense of pride, teamwork, dedications amongst our student, faculty, staff, and alumni. So our diverse array of men and women sports team can compete at the highest level and representing the university with skill, passion, and sportsmanship. So these are the major popular athletics available in the men's and women's. For men's, football, basketball, baseball, track, and so on. And for women, we have volleyball, beach ball, basketball, track and field, and some gymnastic and rowing tennis. These are the major sports available in this university. So, moreover, CSU Sacramento Athletics provide the opportunity for all community to come together and show their support for our team, whether cheerings from the stand, volunteering at the event, or following the action plans. Through dedication and hard work and commitment excellence, CSU Sacramento Athletics continue to thrive the enriching the lives of our student athletics and bring the pride to our university community. Now, the one more thing that I want to discuss, the student employment opportunity. So for F1 student is eligible for on-campus job up to 20 hours during the schools and 40 hours during the terms break. And F1 student may participate in CPT after the 1 year of the study, and CPT may be done in the conjunction with on-campus employment, but not to surpass 20 hours total per week during the academic year. And OPT, this information I am giving you additionally. This is not mentioned in the slide. And OPT available to F1 student who have completed at least 9-month consecutive study. And post completion, OPT provides 12-month employment. Certain STEM disciplines are eligible for 20-month extension. So this is the application tagging process. You need to mention the details, and if you guys having some questions or some doubts, so contact to Study Metro team, so they will guide you. These are some useful links for for UG and PG. For more detail, please contact me or Study Metro team.
Thank you, Pragati. It was really a superb session.
Thank
The way
you.
you present and give all the information about the university and the programs. So, if anybody have any questions, you can feel free to drop the message on the question box or the chat box, which is in your right hand side. And let me move to the my other university delegate. And now we have a session from the East Bay, California East Bay. So let me just restart the session.